Welcome back all of you to the next session. In the last video, we have started with MS PowerPoint. We have seen the different components of PowerPoint window. In this video, I'll explain you how to make the presentation. But before making any presentation, first we will see the different slide layouts which are used to make a presentation and the ways to insert text in the placeholder area. Okay. So now let's begin with the slide layouts. So first let me explain you the different slide layouts which are required for making a presentation. I hope so you all can see here the icon layout. So click on this. As you click on this, you get different types of slide layouts. Okay. The first one is the title and slide. This is the default slide page layout. Now, in this title slide, two placeholder areas are here, as you can see here. Yes, one for adding the title of the topic and second for adding subtitle. Okay. The second layout is title and content. You can see this layout in this slide pane area. So here title can be added and here the description of that title can be added. If you want to describe any topic, so in that case we take this type of layout. Okay. Now the next layout is comparison. Suppose if you want to make any comparison, when you want to make any difference between, okay, so when you want to compare between two things, so for that comparison we need this type of slide layout. Okay. And the last type of slide layout is the picture with caption. Now this one. So this type of slide layout is generally used for the conclusive, means the last slide. Now one by one I'll start and I'll show you how to make the slide. So now let's start with the presentation, okay, including different slide layouts. So the first slide is the title and content. Now, few things you have to keep in mind before making a presentation. The very first thing is, before making a presentation, you should know the topic of your presentation. Then the content which is to be explained, and then the conclusive part. All these points keep in mind before making a presentation. Then only you can make a very good presentation. Okay. So let's start. So here this is our first slide and my topic is parts of computer. In this title and content slide, in this title slide, so this is the first slide, this is the title slide. So here we will add the name of the topic. So what is the name of our topic? That is parts of computer. Clear? And then in subtitle type your name, that is made by, as I am making this, so I am writing my name here, Jayati Mukherjee. Got it? So the first slide will be the name of the title and the name of the person who is making that slide. Now, how to change the color and size of the text? First, select the text. Then go to this font option. From here, just select the font style. Then from font size, select the size. And then from color, you select the color. Okay. Same this way also, this one also. Just From here, change the writing style. Then change the size. And then change the color. Okay. Now, if you want to add any picture, that also you can do it in order to make your text look very beautiful. So let me little bit first drag this one. Okay. So that in the middle part we can add our picture. So go to, I hope so you all can see insert tab. Click on this insert tab and then click on clip art. As you click on clip art, okay, you will get this type of box. See, here I have written the topic's name and then click on go. As you click on go, different pictures related to computer you can see here. So just select the picture and double click on it. As you double click, the picture appears on your screen. Okay. Now by dragging the picture, just set the size of your picture. So here your first slide is ready. Got it? Now again for the second slide, go back to the home tab. Okay. From layout, click on the layout and then click on title and content for the second slide. So second slide I have selected title and content. Okay. In this title, first I have written define computer. So what is computer? Computer is an electronic device which takes the data as input, process it and gives the result as output. At the same time, with the help of insert tab, with the help of clip art, I have inserted a picture here also. Okay. Now let's move to the third slide. For third slide, again component of computer. So in that also, I'll be taking title and content layout. So third slide, again I have taken title and content slide. In the title, I have written the components of computer. So there I have explained the two components of computer are hardware and software. Okay. Now the fourth slide which I am going to take is comparison slide. Why? Because I have to make a comparison between hardware and software. Okay. So just go to slide, new slide. Okay. Then take comparison. This slide you take it. So this one is our fourth slide. Clear? So let's start working on this one. Here in click to add title, first we will write comparison. Then click to add text, here hardware and software, and then we will write the differences between hardware and software. So fourth slide, here I have used the comparison slide. So difference between hardware and software. So what is hardware? Hardware, it is the physical part of computer. Okay, and software, set of instructions to do work. Hardware can be seen and touched, and software can be seen but cannot be touched. Then if damaged, hardware can be replaced. Software, if damaged, can be reinstalled. Then hardware includes all the input, processing, output and storage devices, and software includes the programs. Okay, so here we complete the topic of our parts of computer. Now the next thing is the last slide is the concluding slide. So here in this last slide, which slide we will include? We will include picture with caption, where it will be a Thanksgiving slide. Okay, so let's work on it. Let's choose a picture with caption slide. So click on this new slide and then this is picture on caption slide. So just select this slide. Okay. Now here with the help of again this insert tab, just you can click a picture as pictures are given here. So select any of the pictures. Suppose this picture I have selected. Okay. Drag it and accordingly set the size of the picture. Clear? And in here, click to add title. Here you can write thank you all. Okay. So this also again you can change the font. Go to font group. From here select the heading, then size, suppose make it 54, and then from here select any of the color, let this one. So in this way our slides are ready. Okay. Once your slides are ready, now the next step is to view the presentation. So the process of seeing the slides one after the other is known as slideshow. This slideshow, it can be done in two ways. Either by clicking on the slideshow tab and starting from beginning, or by pressing the F5 key. Okay. Now, when we click on this slideshow tab, here you can see three options from beginning. That means it shows the slide from the first slide. From current slide, it shows the slideshow from the current slide on which we are working. And third is custom slideshow, which shows only the selected slides. That means the slides which we have selected for slideshow. So let's begin from beginning. Okay, start. Some animations also I have added as it is a multimedia software. So here you can see the animations which I have added on the slides to make the slides look very effective and very presentable. Okay. So in this way you also can add animations and make your slides look very effective and beautiful. Once you see your presentation is okay, the next step is to save this presentation. Okay. So go to this file, click here, you will get options, click on save as. Now as you click on save as window appears, and here you type the file name. By whichever name you want to save your file, just type the file name. So here as it is written parts of computer, so I am saving my file by this name only. And then click on save option. Okay. So your file gets saved. Got it? Followed? Okay. Now, if you want to come out of this presentation, so what you do? Go to file and then click on close option. Now see, your presentation gets off. Yes. And if you want to come out of this window, so what you will do? Just on the title bar, okay, click on this cross button or go to file tab and click on exit. Now see, again you come back to your original desktop. Okay. So hope so this part is clear, and I hope that everyone will make a presentation on this topic. So do well children, and good luck. Thank you for watching.